Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to be going over how you can add in music directly from YouTube into Foundry VTT. In order to do this I'm using the Bellows module. I don't believe this module is available in the setup screen where the other modules are listed, so I will go ahead and put the description down below. Or I'll put the information down in the description below. Alright, let's go ahead and get started by going over to the playlist. And I went ahead and already made a playlist titled Spooky Music. And I want to go to add a new sound. To make a new playlist, you can just click here, by the way. Okay, and then I'll go to add a new sound, and I will name this ambient horror music. And the Bellows module adds the option is streamed. This means that it's pulling it directly from a YouTube video rather than having to download the music ahead of time. So go ahead and click that. And I already pulled my YouTube link. Again, you can just grab this from any YouTube video you want to use. I don't believe it really matters how long it is. It will just stream it. But there is an option that you can play around with the large file streaming and see how it works. Okay, and I'll go ahead and update the track. And as we can see, it added ambient horror music onto my list underneath the playlist. And let's go ahead and press play. And as you can see, it came through there. It did take some time, so you may want to be ready ahead of time with that. But I'll go ahead and stop it for now. I think it's pretty clear. I've played around with it before. I think it's pretty clear that once it gets started, it just goes on its own. Okay, let's say though, however you wanted to have a full playlist that you found on YouTube. Maybe you found a full set of songs, or you can just make your own playlist on YouTube and then import it over into Foundry rather than having to do each individual song on its own. Let me go ahead and show how you can set that up. The first step is to find a playlist on YouTube. It's pretty easy to do. Once you have one, you can go ahead and it'll look like this. You want to go to the main screen for the playlist and then go to Share over here. And then you can go ahead and easily copy the playlist here. This is what you'll want for adding it into Foundry. Alright, once you have your link from YouTube, the link of the playlist that you wanted to use, you want to go ahead and go over to the bottom here where it says Import YouTube Playlist. Click that. Copy your link in here. This is again the link that you're grabbing from the share underneath the playlist. And then you want to go ahead and click the button right there next to it, and we can see the different songs that are in this playlist I grabbed. And then I will just go ahead and give it a name, Spooky. Let's see, I'll name it Halloween Music. And then I will press save, and it'll compile that or put that together for me. And then I have it right there, and I can press play on the playlist, or I can play an individual track. Alright, and there you have it. Alright, well that's all I'm going to have in this video as far as music goes. I will be putting together another video though pretty soon here regarding both the soundboard module as well as the maestro module, as they have to do with sound effects. So if you're interested in that, be looking for it soon. Alright, thanks everyone. Hope this has been helpful.